Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy daily savings in July with my minis. I am saving $6 a day with my minis in my quarter minis with sharks. You can find this on my Etsy. I do have it linked above, below, wherever. And I'm excited to hop in. Let's see. I just filmed my shark video, my shark and bee binder video. Okay, I got interrupted by the dog, so I don't really know where I was, but I think I was just saying hello and that today is my shark and bee binder day. So we are gonna add $6 to my minis bank, and this money just sits here until we finish a challenge, and then we come here and take the money for whatever challenge amount we finished. In the meantime, we use the same amount of prop coins, so we have $6 worth of prop coins that I do not need to mix up. And we are gonna start here at number 1. So I'm going to put that over here, and I'm going to scoot this out of the way for a little bit. I am going to open up my dice tower. This dice tower comes from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Her husband Jim makes them, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to use my D3 and my prop coins, and we are going to get started. So number 1 is getting 50 cents, or 2. Number 2 is getting 2. So are you guys having a nice weekend? I hope so. 2 for 3. 2 for everybody. There's the 1. 1 for 4. 2 for 5. There's a 3. 3 for number 6. 1, 2, and 3 for number 1. Oh, 1 for number 2. 1, 2 for number 3. 1, 2, 3 for 4. We have a couple more. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so we got all of them for 5, so we will start on number 6. How did I? Oh, I was looking for a paper clip. Okay, so we're going to start here. All right. Thank you, Dice Tower. I have my cash tray, but I was using it as holding some of my items that I'm currently glittering and blinging. So it has purple glitter everywhere. Okay, so I almost said let's put our prop coins away, but we are not there. Let's scoot that back. I really don't want you to have glare. All right, so number 1 got 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. So $1.25 for number 1. This one comes from Tiffany at Budget with Tiffany 26. I think I'm going to switch up to, I was trying to use my Crayola clicks. All right, I'll keep trying since this one is paper. All right, so we got $1.25. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. I don't know why I'm coloring like a 5-year-old. Okay. Yay! That's a great start. All right, number 2 got 1, 2, and 3, so that's 75 cents. And this one is one of mine. When I have an editor, his name's Grease, it's Kimmy's husband, and he does an amazing job. And they spotted that I had some prop coins stuck to my little envelope tag here. So I ended up, it was 50 cents worth, so I colored those. So that means we're good. So now these 3, we are current. So that was a highlighter that I had at my other desk. So I'm gonna use this blue for 3/4. So 25, 50, and 75. All right, go USA. All right, number 3. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have, oh, heifer, please. Oh, we only needed 50 cents. We finished 1. So we have 25 and 50. So that's done. So this one saved us $5. So this is going to Apple TV, that is correct. So let's get a new one out. Let's see what these are. These are from Vicky at Pink Plum Budgeting. So this one saved, I already crossed one off, so I made it even. So this saves $2 and this one saves $2. So we can put 50 cents into this. So I'm going to cross off 2 more balloons. So 25 and 50. And we will start this one. Got this in Happy Mail at the beginning of the year. Toast to 2026. Very proud I'm using it in 2026. Okay, number 4. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that's $1. All right, and then this one is from Norellis Budgets, Sweater Weather. Let me get my orange out, and we can do the rest of this row. I'll be right back. All right, I started to fix some of the other ones, and I'm like, no, we're not doing that. We're just doing what we came for today. All right, and then number 5, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's $1.25. Going into number 5, which is from Dying Outlaws Games and Budgets. So let's see, so we have $1.25. So we have 50, $1, and then 25. So we are not quite halfway through that one. All right, and then last but not least, we got number 6. We got 1, 2, and 3, so 75 cents in here. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I need my Crayola Click. 75 cents. They're each 25. Okay. Okay, there we have it. We finished one for $5, so let's get back to our front here and we'll put our prop coins away, and then we will cash out our $5 challenge. Okay. And we can go ahead and stuff this right now, which is super fun. So this is Apple TV, which should be the first one here. Yep, Apple TV. And we're going to put $5. We'll just stick it in the back. Perfect. All right, guys, that is all I have today. Thank you so much for joining me on my little daily mini savings. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.